everybody. Welcome back to Checkmarks Maths, Cikgu Ahmad or tvmaths.com. So today we are going to solve this linear equation 3x plus 2 equals 5. How do you want to go for that? How do you want to deal with this question? Okay, that's not that problem. So what we have to do first, our target is to leave x on the left and a number on the right, which means that the value of x. So that is what we call the mission, is to leave x alone. How to move all other than x to the right? So this is the first thing what we have to do is to move the one that is furthest away in terms of the connection. It is what we call the least connected bit of the expression here. So here 3x plus 2, we move 2 first to the right. Okay? So what left is 3x equals 5. Okay, here is positive 2. So when you move on the right, it will become what? Positive, change to negative. Okay, negative. See, negative 2. So what we get now? What we get now is 3x equals to 3. Okay, now we have 3x. What we want is only x. How to get rid of 3 on this side? Since 3 and x is a multiplication, 3 times x, so the only way to finish it off, to cancel it out, is just by dividing it. See? Dividing it by, of course, by 3. Okay, if that by 3, it will become x. So to make it balance, the rule of balance of the both sides saying that you treat one on the left as division of 3 or divide by 3. So on the right, you must also do the same, must divide by 3 to make it balance. So 3 divided by 3. Okay, so the final answer you get is x here, x, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that is it. The answer is x equals 1. This is the final answer. Okay then, thank you. Keep practicing. Be good in mathematics. Bye.